Some more fountains for my stash for 2020. I have Redline Screamer by World Class. I have the Black Cat Extra Large California Candle handheld fountain. Phantom Soaring Spirit Fountain. Boomer Splash Out Fountain. Cutting Edge Large Friendship Fountain. Silver Bubbles by Black Cat. 2 Friendship Fountains by Boomer. 2 Happiness by Boomer. Golden Flower by Boomer. The 3 Color Fountain, Boomer. Fool's Gold by World Class. Hot Sauce by Black Cat. Rainbow Fountain, Black Cat. The Serenity Fountain by Phantom. King of Bling Fountain by Phantom. Large 500 gram Crown Jewel Fountain by Phantom. The Alpha Wolf Fountain by Phantom. Nervous Breakdown by Wild Dragon. And an assortment of Killer Bees and Cuckoos by Black Cat. So some more fountains for my stash.